Welding safety equipment. Personal protective equipment. Hoods, auto darkening lens, stationary filter lens, flip front filter lens. Personal protective equipment. Generally required: safety shoes, safety gloves. Personal protective equipment. Safety eyewear should always be worn under the welding helmet to protect against flying debris when the helmet is raised to inspect work and when engaged in other welding activities, for example, grinding, hammering. Eyes safety. Protective filter, welding helmet, opaque shell. Eye protection assembly, trimming, retainer spring, clear lens, frame, filter lens, gasket, outer cover plate, spring retainer, lid. Personal protective equipment. Single-use air purifying respirator, dust fume mask. Visor with interchangeable tinted lenses, powered air purifying respirator. Welding helmet, flexible hose, air is drawn through the cartridges. Filters, air purifying, belt-mounted respirator. Face earpiece fits over nose and mouth, and should not interfere with the functioning of the welding helmet. Air supplied from a compressor, supplied air respirator. Accident. This realistic accident scenario explains why safety issues should be done at cylinder handling. This accident situation demonstrates that it is wise to use gloves at cylinder handling. Be safe. Safe.